Today, I'm going to tell you all about our stay at the TWA Hotel at John F. Kennedy International Airport in New York City. We had a great time exploring this unique property, and I can't wait to tell you all the details. If that sounds groovy to you, please keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are having a splendid day today, and if you're new here, welcome. We recently stayed at the TWA Hotel for one night on the way back from our Scotland trip. I love everything about the 60s, so I was really excited to stay at this property. And there was another reason why I was so excited, and that is because my aunts were flight attendants for TWA back in the glamorous days of airline travel, where they would serve eggs made to order in first class and cherries flambé for dessert. Oh yes, cherries flambé. They would just light that sucker up. They don't do that anymore. So I'm going to tell you about our stay, show you some video that I took, and give you my thoughts on this hotel. Before we jump in, if you like travel videos, please give this a big thumbs up. And I'd also like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do lots of different travel videos on lots of different travel topics, and I would absolutely love it if you would join my traveling party. So you've probably noticed my shirt, and yes, I did buy it at the TWA Hotel. TWA just has a special place in my family's history since I have two aunts who were flight attendants for them. But besides my family history, I have a big love for everything 60s. I love the glamour, the martinis, the fashion. Mad Men is one of my favorite TV shows. I've actually watched the entire series 3 times. The TWA Hotel has 512 rooms, and many of these rooms have great views of the runways. When you first get to the hotel, the first thing you're going to notice is the cool vintage cars at the entrance. And then when you walk in, you are going to see the impressive mid-century modern lobby. It is really cool. One of the really neat things in the lobby is the Twister room. This is a wall-to-wall room of the 1960s game where you can go in and play Twister. There's even a big spinner on the wall. Also, in different parts of the lobby, they have museum exhibits which are free to the public. One of those exhibits is 37 TWA uniforms, which range from the 40s all the way up to the year 2000. And you can also view vintage original TWA travel posters. The TWA Hotel also has many unique activities that you're not going to find at other properties. One of these is the Roller-Rama roller skating rink. Very, very fun. And they also have bumper cars. These are open only on the weekends, so this is a great option if you're traveling with kids, but just keep that in mind. They do have limited hours. And my favorite spot is the plane that they have converted to a lounge. This plane is a Lockheed Constellation L1649A that has been transformed into a cocktail lounge. These planes were commonly called Connie. This is a really cool spot to have a drink. You climb up the stairs and you walk in, and the decoration is all Austin Powers, and it's just a lot of fun. Another great reason to stay at this hotel is because of the rooftop infinity pool. This pool overlooks the runways, and it has been voted one of the most impressive pool areas in New York City. Rooms at this property are not fancy, but they're cute, comfortable, and they continue the TWA theme. They start at about $300 a night, which isn't cheap, but isn't too bad for New York City. We really enjoyed our stay here, and would I stay here again? Absolutely I would, but only for one night at a time. There isn't enough to do because you are pretty much in the JFK airport. I think this is a really cool option if you need to stay at a hotel one night before or one night after your flight. But keep in mind, you do not have to be a hotel guest in order to go to the hotel. You can just pop in anytime and look at the museum exhibits, go to the food court, or maybe grab a drink at the lobby bar. I hope you enjoyed this little travel down memory lane. If you have ever stayed at the TWA Hotel, please leave a comment and tell me how you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you would like to talk travel with me just a little bit longer, I will link a couple videos at the end that I think you might like. Until next time, I hope you have happy and safe travels. I appreciate you and thank you so much for watching. Bye.